Exercise number 5.2, question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. In that we are taking second question. 11th term of the AP, they are asking us to find. Given arithmetic progression is -3, -1/2, 2 and so on. In this arithmetic progression, if you continue this list of numbers, and what will be the 11th term, this is our question. Option A 28, option B 22, option C is -38, option D is -48 and half. So further what you need to do in the solution, first you take the given arithmetic progression. What is that? -3, -1/2, 2 and so on. Whenever you write arithmetic progression, the next work is to write the first term as well as common difference. Here, what is the first term? The first number is nothing but first term. So here first term is represented by A, that is -3. And common difference formula D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 means second term minus first term. Here second term is -1/2. You can write here. For this minus, you can put this minus symbol. A1. A1 is a negative term only. So that is why you can keep in bracket. This is -3. Now next step, -1/2. Minus into minus is +3. Further you can write is 2 into 3 is 6 minus 1. That is 5/2. So after doing that, you will get D value as 5/2. Common difference D value is 5/2. Now in the question they are asking us to find out the 11th term. So what is required? 11th term. We know very well from the general form of the arithmetic progression, 11th term A11 is A plus 10D. A, what is A here? -3. So instead of A you can write -3 plus 10 into D. So 10 into D value is 5/2. So 10 is multiplied with the D. So D value is 5/2. After that what you need to do? Here cancellation is possible. 2 1 time, 2 5 times. So 5/1 is nothing but 5 only. This 5 is multiplied with this 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So you got -3 plus 25. It is nothing but 25 minus 3. 25 minus 3 is nothing but that is 22, which is nothing but 11th term A11. So 11th term is 22. Which option is correct? 28 to 22. Here 22 is there in option B. Hence the correct option is B. That is 22. In this question, we are asked to find 30th term of this AP, 10, 7, 4 and so on. So 4 options are given to us. Let us solve this question. In solution, how we have to start? What is the AP? Given AP. What is the AP? 10, 7, 4 and so on. Here first term. What is the first term? First number is nothing but first term. It represented by A, that is 10. And common difference also we have to find. Common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. That is second term minus first term. Second term is 7 minus first term is 10. 7 minus 10 you will get -3. Nothing but common difference. Common difference D value is -3. After getting this, what you have to do? You know the value of A is 10 and value of D is -3. They are asking us to find out 30th term. So you wanted to find 30th term. 30th term is represented by A30. So as per the formula, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. From that you can write A30 will be A plus n minus 1. 30 minus 1 is 29. D. Substitute the values of A as well as D here. A is 10 plus 29 into D value is -3. D value is -3. That equal to 10 plus into minus is minus 29 3 times. 29 3 times is 87. So 10 minus 87. Smaller number minus bigger number, you will get negative answer. so that the final answer will be 10 minus 87, you will get minus 77, which is nothing but A30. So you will conclude that 30th term is minus 77. Which option is correct option? Minus 77 is option C. Minus 77 is here, C. Question number 3. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Some arithmetic progressions are given to us. Some terms are missing, which was represented by box. So in this box, what will come, that you need to find. Here you observe, first term is given as 2, second term is missing, third term is given as 26. That only we are going to write. Here first term A is equals to 2. First number is 2. And second term is missing. Third term is given as 26. So third term A3 is equals to 26. We know that A3 is nothing but A plus 2D, that equal to 26. A value 2 is given here, that you substitute here. Instead of A we are writing 2 plus 2D is equals to 26. 2D is equal to 26 plus 2, if you transpose to RHS, it will become as minus 2. Further, you can write 2D is equals to 26 minus 2 is 24. 2 is multiplying, if you transpose to RHS, it will divide this 24. So you will get it as D is equal to 24 divided by 2. 2 1 time to 12 times. So 12 by 1 is nothing but 12 only. Common difference D value you got as 12. Here you need a second term. We know that second term A2 is equals to A plus D. In the previous steps, D value you got as 12, A value is already given as 2. So that you substitute here, A is 2 plus D value you got as 12. So substitute these two values, 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12 is nothing but 14. So the second term is 14. The missing number is 14. Now question number 4. Here first term is given as minus 4. Second term, third, fourth, fifth, these all the terms are missing. Directly sixth term is given as 6. So you can write given first term A is equal to minus 4 and the sixth term is 6 only. Now we know that A6 is nothing but A plus 5D. A plus 5D. A6 is nothing but A plus 5D, that equal to 6. A value you know here, minus 4, that you write here. A value is minus 4, you substitute here, plus 5D is equals to 6. If you transpose minus 4 to RHS, it will become as plus 4. So you will get 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. You can write 5D is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. D is equals to 10. This 5 is multiplying. If you transpose, it will divide 5 one time, 5 two times. So D value is 2. You got the value of D as 2. Now after knowing A value and D value, whatever the term is asked here, all the terms you can find. Here second term is missing. So let us find the second term. Second term is represented by A2. So here A2, therefore A2 is equal to, the formula is A plus D. A value plus D value. A value is minus 4, D value is 2. So A plus D, minus 4 plus 2 is nothing but minus 2 only. Next, which are the terms are missing? A2 is missing, A3 is missing, A4, A5. These all you have to find. A2, A3, A4, A5. Already we found A2. Next, A3 is required. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. A value plus 2 times of D. A value is minus 4 plus 2 into D. D value is 2. Then minus 4 is as it is, plus 2 into 2, 4. Minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. Next, A4 also required. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A value is minus 4 plus 3 into D value. 3 into D value is 2 only. D value is 2, that you substitute here. 3 into 2, 6, minus 4 plus 6 is nothing but 6 minus 4 is 2. Next, A5 also required. A5 is nothing but A plus 4 times of D. A value is minus 4 plus 4 times of D. D value is 2, that you substitute here. 4 into 2 is 8, minus 4 as it is plus 8. This is nothing but 8 minus 4 is 4. Finally, you can tell that the missing terms are minus 2, 0, 2 as well as 4. In question number 5, first term is missing, third term is missing, fourth, fifth. These are the terms are missing that we have to find. Here first term is missing, second term is given as 38, third term is missing, fourth term is missing, fifth term is missing, sixth term is given as minus 22. In solution, first we will write what are the given things. Given, second term is given. What is second term? Second term is represented by A2, that equal to 38. A2, what is A2? A2 is nothing but A plus D is equals to 38. Say this one as first equation. Next, A6 is given, that is sixth term. Sixth term is represented by A6, that is minus 22. A6 can be written as A plus 5D is equals to minus 22. Say this one as second equation. Now we have to solve these two equations by solving equations 1 and 2. Second equation minus first equation we will do. So that second equation you write first minus first equation. When we are subtracting first equation terms sign change will be there. This is plus A will become as minus A, plus D will become as minus D, plus 38 will become as minus 38. After changing the signs, don't mind the old symbols, you have to mind only the new symbols. A minus A, that will be 0. 5D minus 1D is 4D is equals to minus 22 minus 38. Both are negative only, so you will get negative answer. Same signs are there. Add the numbers 38 plus 22, that is 60. So 4D equal to minus 60 you got. From this you can write D is equal to minus 60 divided by 4. 4 1 time, 4 15 times. So minus 15 by 1 is nothing but minus 15. So D is equal to minus 15. Now what you have to do, substitute this D value in first equation to get the value of A. Put D is equals to minus 15 in equation 1. What is equation 1 here? A plus D equal to 38. A value plus D value. A value plus D value is what? Minus 15 will gives 38. Now minus 15, if you transpose to RHS, it will become as plus 15. That implies A is equal to 38 plus 15. So you can write A is equal to 38 plus 15 is nothing but 53. A value is 53 and D value minus 15 you got. After that you can find all the values. What are the missing terms? Those all you can find. Here you observe A1. A1 is nothing but first term. Already you got as 53. Next A3 is required, A4 is required, A5 is required. These three are required now. A3. Therefore A3 is required. A3 formula. What is A3 formula? A plus 2D. A value plus 2 times of D value. A value is 53 plus 2 times of D is minus 15. 53 plus into minus is minus 15, 2 times is 30. Out of 53 you are subtracting 30. So the answer will be 23. Next A4 also required. A4 can be written as A plus 3D. A value is 53 plus 3 times of D, 3 times of minus 15. Then 53 will be 53, plus into minus is minus, 3 into 15 is 45, 53 minus 45 is 8. Next A5 is required. A5 can be written as A plus 4 times of D. A value is 53 plus 4 into D, 4 into minus 15, 4 into minus 15. So that you can write 53 as it is, plus into minus is minus, 4 into 15 is 60. So smaller number minus bigger number, you will get negative answer. 53 minus 60 is nothing but minus 7. So that the missing terms are, first term is missing, that is 53, third is missing, that is 23, fourth and fifth terms are 8 and minus 7. These are the missing terms. Like this you have to find out the missing terms.